Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Maddie and welcome to TCG Treasures. Today we're going to be unboxing Legacy Evolutions Giant Box. I actually never saw this before. I think it's an older set, but picked it up, thought it'd be pretty cool. And today helping us open up the box is...
Megan.
It's Meg Ham.
Meg Ham.
Alright, so we might as well get into it, folks. We got 5 packs, 6 promo cards, and 1 Crobat pin. Really, the best part of this box is the Crobat pin, in my personal opinion. The packs you can get are really not that great.
Can I open one of the Evolutions boxes?
Get the Steelix out of there for me, please, sweetheart. Thank you, dearest.
Here's our
I do
Steelix
that part. You're going to open the packs.
Oh, I get to open all of them?
Yeah, give them their code card.
Okay.
There's your code card for the promos.
So here we have Steam Siege. That's our first pack. We're gonna...
Why are you talking into it like the microphone can't pick it up? It's going to be so loud. Here's your promo cards. You get a foil Crobat, a Steelix EX, sorry, Blissey, Hollow, Slicking, Hollow, Politoed, Hollow, Bellossom, Hollow. Sorry about that bump on the camera, folks.
Now it took me... Was it? Okay, so...
Give them the code card.
Yep, there's your code
For your
card.
Steam Siege, do 3 and 4. And there's your Crobat pin. Yeah, do 3 and 4.
What does it mean? In here? I took 3.
Like this. Take 3, put them on the bottom, and then you want to go over them just like this. Dino, Litleo, Nosepass, C-Dot. Ooh, there's a terrible glare right there, isn't there? That'll fix it. Clauncher, D-Watt, Gardevoir, Spirit Link, Klefki, Larvesta, and a Volcanion non-hollow. Alright, let's see if you can get it, Megatron.
Oh, that one was so much easier to open. Oh, sorry. This next pack is Sun and Moon.
Base set.
Here's your code card there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we have Fomantis,
It's alright, you don't have to lean into the camera like that.
Grimer. I just want to see where.
You got it.
Togedemaru.
Togedemaru.
Yeah. Stuffle. Marini. Is that it?
Okay.
A reverse hollow
Let's see.
Great Ball. That's pretty cool. Nest Ball. Bruxish. Derek's. I think I mixed them up again.
Well, we didn't get anything good.
No. I don't understand that.
Alright, so now we're going to go with a Steam Siege again. Like I said, if you watch my other videos, I do terrible at Steam Siege and Breakthrough and all that nonsensical stuff that you can think of. Evolutions I used to do pretty good. It's where I pulled my full art foil. Well, of course it was full. Or foil when it was a full art. Charizard. Sorry I didn't mention those first two. It's Mantine, Joltik, Clink, Ponyta, Ponard, Persian, Greedy Dice, Monferno, Spiritomb, and a non-hollow Amogus. That settles up our luck for Steam Siege, doesn't it?
Well, now we have 2 Evolutions packs.
No,
You want
go on with
Charizard? Yeah, I figured. I like Blastoise better. Anyway.
That's because Blastoise.
Squirtle was always my number 1. Here's your code. Okay, so what is it?
Do
It's
pack battle.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. That's your code from me.
I do 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And then put it like that. Let's see who wins. You ready?
Wait, hold on. Are we doing like one at a time?
Yeah.
Machop.
Nidoran male. One at a time.
Oh.
Nidoran male.
Machop.
Hold your cards down where they can see them, babe. Vulpix.
Voltorb.
Sandshrew.
Diglett.
Ponyta.
Caterpie.
Magnemite.
Poliwag.
Coughing.
Trainer Super Potion.
Mystery's Determination.
Trainer, Charizard, Spirit Link.
Maybe you ain't gotta say trainer.
What's a trainer card?
Revive,
Charmeleon. Oh.
Tangela.
Reverse Hollow Magikarp. Oh!
You definitely won. I got a non-hollow.
It's funny because you had the Charizard pack, and in my Blastoise pack, I got a Charizard EX.
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
Okay, so other than the garbage that we normally get out of Steam Siege,
Look at that.
sure. There's the promo cards that you are guaranteed 100% to get. There's the promo pin that you are guaranteed 100% to get. And there's the Charizard EX that I was guaranteed 100% to get. Alright, thank you for watching, folks. Hope you guys had a great day and enjoy the rest of your night.
Bye.